Alright, I'm holed up in my compound, been staying away from people and everything. Let me show you what's going on though. So if I don't make another video, you'll know I'm dead. Because they got people that can't understand. You can't have people around. So what does my niece do? She invites her friend with like 4 children over here to be around her child. So just watch this.
Alright, what you doing?
You're on YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
Oh, don't shine that.
Oh gosh, no, don't.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Hey YouTube, you like my new hairdo? I just got it done.
What's up?
Okay.
What's up?
Okay, if I don't make another video, I got the coronavirus because I've been staying away from people. And what does my niece do? She brings a bunch of people around to give us all coronavirus. And if they don't have it, we may have it. They may be going to die now.
We're good. We're fine.
God's going to protect you.
I hope. Yep, he is.
Yep, he is.
Okay.
Trust me.
But I've been at.
It says you've
I've
come
been
and
at
sent.
home. Yeah, I've been at home.
She ain't been nowhere.
Everybody's been somewhere. You had to go to the store or something.
I'm going to the store right now. I've been at home for the past, I don't know how long.
Where are you going?
This is the
Walmart?
first time you've been
No,
somewhere.
I ain't been nowhere. I've just been doing my garden.
Yeah.
Walmart's got new rules and stuff. You have to have a buggy when you go in.
You have to be 6 feet away from each other and all this other junk. Yeah. So tell them what else.
Everybody's wearing masks.
I've been to Walmart like 5 times.
There's like 1.7 people dying every minute in New York. Every minute, 1.7. They're throwing them in freezer coolers, like truck,
Like
like
18-wheeler.
truck, like that one out there.
Cold 18-wheeler.
No, Evelyn, we didn't told you not to do it, and she's doing it.
So what's the deal with her doing it? You do it all the time.
Yeah,
Get down, Marley.
that's why we tell you not to get up there, because if you fall off, you're just gonna get hurt.
Yeah. But like,